Got a quick video for you. As I promised with new update, I was going to be dropping a lot of content. I did manage to get the Ishago Evo and I have a good trade on him. And I'm just trying to get him max so I can showcase him to you guys properly. I'm telling you right now, he is a pretty good unit. But anyway, getting into this, I wanted to discuss how to get Grimoire in the new update. Cause I saw a lot of people in general actually confused about it. Basically, in the new Black Clover story that they added, if you were to clear it, you can then do the infinite. You want to go into the infinite, doesn't matter if it's nightmare or normal, and you want to clear it until you get one of the new portals, which I am in the right now as you can see with my friends. They are not very hard. This is a tier 3 portal and you have about that's the boss. Here is like 170 million. That's not bad at all. So basically you want to do this and then the higher tier that you are doing, the better the amount of grimoires you get. Like so tier 3 I got 7, last time we did 1. I got 6. My friend going to put down another one and we are going to do another. So I will see you in the next one.